For this project, we'll need to gather our scissors, a darning needle. I'll be using a simple hair tie. And I'm using a 4mm crochet hook. I'm also using simply number 4 weight yarn. I like to use for these a variegated color yarn. The ombres I feel work the best. From here, we're going to create a slip knot. And then we're going to attach it to our hair tie by simply making a single crochet. And then we're going to chain 73. And then making sure our chain is not twisted, we're going to come to the other side of our hair tie and we're going to attach by going into the hair tie, pulling up a loop and doing a single crochet in order to attach. And so here we are with row 1. For row 2, we're going to chain 15. And then we're going to turn and come back to our original first chain row. And we're going to skip 15 of our chains. And then into our 16th chain, we're going to single crochet. And then we're going to chain 20. And then back onto our original first row of chains, we're going to skip 20 chains. And then into that next chain, we're going to single crochet. And then chain 20 again. And then come back to our original chain row, skip 20 chains. And into that next chain, we're going to single crochet. And then chain 15. And then skip your last 15 chains. So we skipped our last 15 chains, made sure it's not twisted, and single crochet into our hair tie. And there we are with round 2. For round 3, we're going to chain 23. And then we're going to come back to row 2 and we're going to skip 23 chains. And into your next chain, we're going to single crochet. And then from here, we're going to chain 25. And then coming back into row 2, we're going to skip your next 25 chains. And into that next stitch, we're going to single crochet. And then from here, we're going to chain 23. And then we're going to skip our remaining 23 chains. And when I say chains, yes, we're also including that single crochet stitch. And then we're going to come in around our hair tie and single crochet into the hair tie in order to attach. And there we are for row 3. For row 4 is actually a repeat of row 2. So once again, that is chain 15. Turn, and then skip your next 15 chains. And single crochet into your next stitch, and then chain 20. And then skip your next 20 chains, including also, don't forget to count that single crochet from the last row. And then single crochet into your next stitch, chain 20, and then skip your next 20 stitches. and single crochet into your next, and then chain 15. Skip your last 15 chains, and then single crochet right into the hair tie in order to join. And there we are for round 4. Round 5 is actually a repeat of round 3. So we start off and we're going to chain 23. And then turn our work, and we're going to skip your next 23 stitches from the previous row. And single crochet into your next stitch. And then from here, we're going to chain 25. And then we're going to skip your next 25 stitches. And single crochet into that next stitch, and then chain 23. And then skip your next 23 stitches and single crochet into the hair tie in order to join. And there we are for round 5. For round 6, which is our final row that we'll be doing, we're actually just going to repeat once again row 2. So for that, we're going to chain 15. Turn your work, skip your next 15 chains, single crochet into your next stitch, and then chain 20. Skip your next 20 stitches, and then chain 20. Skip your next 20 stitches. Single crochet into your next stitch, then chain 15, and single crochet into the hair tie in order to join. And from here we can go ahead and tie off. Then we'll want to weave in those ends. And here we are with our goddess headband. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave it a little thumbs up, like. Let me know in the comment section what you think of this. And if you have yet to subscribe, go ahead and hit that little subscribe button with that bell notification next to it so you can get a heads up every time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day and happy crafting.